want to show you my RC equipment, and so let's check it out. So I have my homemade tricopter. Actually, it has just one props which is broken, as you can see, but I'll fix it, no problem. As I told, it's a tricopter, so it's very easy to use. Okay, I have my GoPro mount here with earplug dampening, so it's very useful to avoid vibrations. I run a 2.2 milliamp LiPo. I also have here my Ardocopter. I love it. It flies super smooth, super stable. So the first rotor, the second rotor, and the tail rotor. So here's the tail mechanism. Very simple. It works like this. Okay. The motors are D750. They are recommended from David Windestal from rcexplorer.se. So I'm very happy with this machine. This is the U-Blox GPS, the LiPo, and this is my video transmitter, 5.8 gigahertz. So this machine is very easy to use. You have to practice a lot to fly good, but with the Ardocopter is very easier. So this is my second machine. This is my, oh well, I love this one. This is my plane. It's my Bixler. So it's a Bixler 2. I modified it because I had several crashes, so I need to reinforce it. But as you can see, I put some tape. I ordered from hobbyking.com. It's very strong, very cool tape, because when you're high in the sky, you can see your plane and immediately by the color judge if that's the tail or the nose. So as you can see, the nose is slightly deformed because I had a few crashes, but it flies super good. I put some old school rubber bands because it's more, convenient when you load your plane into your car and you go to the field and you take it out the car. So with rubber bands it's easier. The rotor is the stock rotor. I didn't modify it because it flies good. No, I had no problem. I have also another set of wings, because wings are fragile, especially if you had some crashes. So this plane is just beautiful. I love it. So let's see inside the canopy. Okay, let's pop it out. Okay, this is the canopy. I have the standard U-back from Hobby King, from the Bixler to its stock. Always another, I hope you can see it, 2.2 LiPo from Turnigy, and I have also here a free sky module. I love it. It flies. I have no losses of signal because it's very powerful. Those are the antennas. Okay, the same module is here, the free sky module, 8 channel, 2.4 gigahertz. As you can see here, the 8 channel. last but not least, this is my racing quadcopter. Just finished to build it, and I didn't fly it yet, but I will try it soon. It runs 4 Turnigy 2200 kV motors. I have also a Fat Shark camera here. Okay, 720p. Fat Shark antenna, 5.8 gigahertz. The video transmitter, 250 milliwatts. Always the free sky module, as you can see. The board is a KK2 board from Hobby King. I built it myself, so I'm trying to make it work. This tape, this electric tape, is for isolating the solderings I made. Those are the ESCs, 1, 2, 3, and 4 ESCs. Those are Afro ESCs with Simon K flashware. Simon K firmware, and I'm pretty happy with it. Sorry, that's my dog barking. The LiPo is 1.8 LiPo, and I want also to show you my transmitter. I love it. It's a great radio control system. Let's turn it on. So it's the Turnigy 9XR. Okay, now you can see that you can see the voltage. You can see the name I gave to my model. In this case, you can see it's running the Bixler configuration. So here's the Bixler, but as you can see here, I have 3 configurations. The first one is the racing quad, which is this. The second one is the DA3, which is obviously my Tricopter. And the third one is the Bixler. Especially for my racing, my Tricopter, which has the Ardocopter board on it. I made some configurations because I wanted to have the possibility of switching flight modes. So it's very simple, as you can see. With aileron up, aileron is just this button. Okay, if it's up, like in this case, you have the high button, which is stabilize. So this is the high button, medium button, and low button. So if it's high, the actual mode of the Ardocopter board is stabilize mode. If it's in the middle, you have altitude hold, and if it's in its lowest position, like this, you have the loiter mode, which is, by the way, very useful because it freezes the position of your Tricopter up in the air. So let's flip it out, and you have the aileron down, like in this case, the button is down. High, auto. So in Mission Planner, you can set your waypoints, your commands, and if the button is in this position, the copter will just fly by itself. If it's in the middle, you can have the return to launch feature, which is very useful if your copter just gets lost or gets too far away and you want it back. So you put in this middle position I set here, and the copter will just engage return to launch feature. In its lowest position, with aileron obviously always down, you have the land command, which is very useful because if you want your copter just to land, it's very easy. You flip the switch and the copter will just fall gently to the ground. Let's switch it off. So this is my fleet. I hope you like it. My efforts were especially about this machine because it's mechanically speaking is the most difficult machine to build because it has electronic parts like this one and mechanical parts like this one. So I'm very happy with my fleet. Hope you like it, and see you soon. Bye.